Hey guys, and welcome to Creative DIY. So today I'm sharing this Monstera Keychain DIY, and this is not just the perfect accessory for the summer but also super simple to do. So let's get started. So first I took the clay, and by the way, this is air drying clay, much easier to work with if you're massaging it because this will soften it up. And then I rolled it into a ball and pressed it down onto the table to make a flat shape. Okay, you don't want to make it too thin because it won't get back off the table or it may break later on. I think a perfect size would be a 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters. Then I used the cutting tool and cut a heart shape. Alternative, you can of course use a heart stencil. After this, I used the straw to make a hole for the keyring, and I recommend making the hole closer to the edge because it's much easier to get the keyring in later on. Then I used the stick to cut in some openings just to make it look like the Monstera leaf. To smoothen out the edges, dip your finger in water and stroke over the clay. Now allow your clay to dry up according to the package instructions. I left mine about 24 hours. And then after that you can go ahead and start painting. And this is how my finished Monstera keychain looks like. I hope you enjoyed this fun keychain tutorial and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly DIY videos, and then I will see you next week.